luxury home that looks like a dream come true. This beautiful modern mansion is designed with a cream and gray color theme, giving it a very elegant and expensive look. From the outside to the inside, every part of this house is built with luxury in mind. Let's start with the drone view of this amazing property. From above, you can see the full size of the house, the modern roof design, the large driveway, and the beautiful swimming pool in the backyard. The house sits on a huge lot with a perfectly designed garden and outdoor lights that make the home look even more stunning. As we move closer to the front of the house, you can see the grand entrance. The exterior walls are finished in cream and gray colors with large glass windows that allow natural light to come inside. The main gate opens to a wide driveway leading to the front door. This entrance gives a true luxury mansion feeling. Now we walk inside the home and enter the main entrance hall. The first thing you notice is the beautiful marble floor and the large chandelier hanging from the ceiling. The staircase has a modern glass railing, and the design looks very clean and expensive. This space feels bright, open, and welcoming. Next, we step into the living room. This is one of the most comfortable and stylish areas in the house. The living room has a cream and gray color design, with a large modern sofa, a big smart TV, and soft lighting that makes the room feel warm and relaxing. The large windows give a perfect view of the garden and let in plenty of sunlight. Now we move into the kitchen. This modern luxury kitchen is designed with gray cabinets and cream marble countertops. In the center, there is a large island where you can cook or sit and eat. The kitchen also has built-in appliances, a big refrigerator, and beautiful LED lights under the cabinets. This kitchen looks simple but very expensive. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area. Here we have a long dining table with modern chairs and a beautiful chandelier above it. The glass wall beside the table gives a view of the pool area outside. This is the perfect place for family dinners or guests. Now let's check the garage. This house has a big luxury garage with space for multiple cars. The automatic doors make it easy to enter, and the garage is designed in the same cream and gray theme as the rest of the house. A home like this deserves a place for beautiful cars. Next, we go to the bedroom area. The master bedroom is very large and designed for comfort. It has a king-size bed, soft lights, a big window, and modern furniture. The cream and gray colors make the room look peaceful and relaxing. This is the kind of bedroom you see in luxury hotels. Connected to the bedroom is the bathroom. The bathroom has marble walls, a glass shower, a modern sink, and a large bathtub. The mirror lights make the space look bright and clean. Everything here feels like a spa inside your own home. Now we visit the home gym. This is a private gym with modern equipment, including a treadmill, weights, and exercise machines. The glass wall gives a view outside, so working out here feels very refreshing. Having a gym inside the house is a big luxury. Let's go outside to the backyard. Here we have a beautiful swimming pool with outdoor lights around it. Next to the pool, there is a swing and a sitting area where you can relax in the evening. The garden is perfectly designed, making this outdoor space feel like a resort. Finally, we enter the TV lounge. This is a special room for entertainment. There is a big smart TV, modern sofa, and soft LED lighting. This is the perfect place to watch movies with family and friends. This luxury mansion shows what a dream home really looks like. The cream and gray design, modern style, and large spaces make this house perfect for comfortable and stylish living. If you enjoy luxury house tours like this, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more amazing homes every week. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next dream house tour.